Hey guys, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I hope everybody in the US had a great Thanksgiving. As we head into the holiday season, let's keep these tech vibes going. I have plenty more to talk about, so let's jump in. Starting off with our Discord community, we are officially at 3,779 members. If you're passionate about tech and innovation, our community is where you need to be. In this week's Powered by Pinata, I will be shining a light on parody. Imagine an internet not controlled by a few big companies, but run on peer-to-peer networks. That's what parody is all about. They're building technology for a decentralized future, from open source contributions to innovative blockchain solutions, like the system they developed for the UN World Food Program. Parody is not just developing tech, they're reshaping how we think about the internet. Now onto Web3 news. Blur's new reward structure has everyone talking. Blur, an NFT marketplace, is teasing the crypto world with its pre-launch offer for the upcoming Blast network, a new Layer 2 Ethereum solution. The catch? Users need to lock up ETH with the promise of moving it to Blast once it's live. It's a bold move, especially considering Blast is still under wraps, but I am so keen to see how everything unfolds. Now let's talk about tech in gaming with our tips and tricks. Web3 gaming is evolving, blending the immutability of blockchain with the excitement of gaming. A key player in this evolution is IPFS. IPFS is revolutionizing game development by enhancing user experience and ensuring the integrity of game assets. It's a glimpse into a future where gaming goes hand in hand with decentralized tech. And that's it for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. If you enjoyed our journey through Web3 insights, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I would love to meet you. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys.